Don't focus on chasing deals, but chase profit. What I mean is don't get caught up on chasing numbers of deals, but chase the size, the spread of the deal. To me, that is what's more important. We get all caught up in, people posting on social media nowadays and saying, hey, I did 20 deal this month, 30 deal this month. And someone looking at themselves and said, hey, I only did 1 deal or 2 deals or 3 deals this month, and feel like they're not winning. But you don't understand that your deal size is way bigger than the person that was doing 15, 20, 30 deals a month. Because they're in a certain market, right? Their spread is maybe only $2,500 per deal, or even only $5,000 a deal. So they have to do volume to get to the 20, the 30, the 50, the 100,000 per month. Okay? And for some of us or you in a certain market where you only need to do 1, 2, or 3 deals to get to the 6-figure. For example, my deal spread is between 20 to 25. So I don't have to do 30, 40, 50 deals a month to get to the 6-figure a month. Now, to me, focus on the profit, the spread. So what you need to do is you need to switch your negotiating tactic with the seller. Instead of coming in and only putting your mindset like, oh, I'm only going to make that. Why don't you say, hey, I want an increase, and I want, instead of 2,500, I want to make 5,000. From 5,000, maybe now you want to make 8 or 10,000. So you start your negotiating at a lower price. So instead of doing so much deal, because it takes so much work and a lot of a lot of manpower, especially if you're doing 20 to 30 transactions a month. My whole game is, man, how can I build a lean, mean machine? So we have 8 to 9 employees. All right, they're all virtual, all from the Philippines, are all VAs. They qualify the leads, they lock the deal up on a contract, and they sell the deal all over the phone. I don't have an office space, so I can drop the bags and boom, I can go anywhere I want. Dude, the whole game is, for me anyway, is to be free. I don't want to be trapped. I don't want to be pulled down. I don't want to be tied down. I just want to, boom, soar the sky, man. I want to be free like a little bird and just fly. Okay, I used to get all caught up in the game of an office space, and I did that because I saw people putting out image, and I thought that was success. So I rented an office for 6 months, and I said, oh my God, this is not the life that I want. I got into real estate, not just for the money, but for the freedom. And I felt like I was back at work again, at a job, because now I'm trapped between four walls. And I realized that's not the business that I want. So focus on building the business around the lifestyle that you want, not what you think, right? That success is because you saw it from someone else. I hope that makes sense. But anyways, I hope this video will add some value to your life and to your business and give you more of a clear directions of what you need to do. And how you can increase that spread on your deals is maybe continue with the market that you're making the 5,000. Now maybe you need to merge into another market where you can get a bigger spread, right? A 20, 25, 30,000 spread. Maybe that's what you need to do. Search into another market where the ARV is a little bit higher so you can get a bigger spread. Until next time, you guys, take care and ciao.